If you're looking at this cold press juicer, it's probably because you want something simple for everyday juicing without a complicated setup. This one has a wide feed chute, which helps cut down on prep, and it comes with everything you need to get started, including the main unit, juice cup, pulp cup, auger, filter, and you even get a small cleaning brush. Assembly is straightforward. There are only a few main pieces, and once everything is lined up, it locks into place easily. The control panel is also very simple to use with different modes for soft fruits, soft vegetables, and hard vegetables, so you're not guessing which setting to choose. There's also a reverse button, which helps release the auger if anything gets stuck. In my experience, it did best with softer fruits like oranges and kiwi. It handled those smoothly and felt easy to use for lighter, more occasional juicing. With harder produce like celery and apples, it struggled a bit more than my heavier duty juicer. Some produce didn't pull down fully, and there was more buildup left on the auger and inside the container, which did make cleanup just a tad longer. Noise wise, it's not overly loud or disruptive. It sounds like a typical cold press juicer and feels fine to run in a normal kitchen. Overall, this is a good option if you're looking for a compact cold press juicer for soft fruits and casual use. As long as expectations are realistic and you're not planning to juice tough produce every day, it does what it's meant to do.